What's up, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and you might know me for my Barbecue 101 series or all of my backyard recipes for how to cook amazing meats, but one of my secret specialties is side dishes for your backyard barbecue, and this broccoli salad is a showstopper. It comes together so quick with amazing flavors that are the perfect complement to the next big meats on your backyard barbecue. Let's do it. Let's start with the parts, the main components of this broccoli salad. So we've got raw chopped broccoli. How you cut the broccoli, I think, matters. If it's too big, it's hard to eat. You want individual little bite-sized pieces. I have seen some people in the South, they actually put their broccoli in a food processor, so it's more of like a fine chopped broccoli salad. You can do that if you want. I prefer mine with a little bit of texture. I want you to be able to pick up the broccoli with a fork. I think it makes a big difference. Same goes with the sliced red onion. A lot of people dice. I like to do strips of red onion because I have family members that don't like red onion. That means they can pick it out, but the people that enjoy it, you really get that essence of red onion in there. Some toasted pecan halves. Again, optional. You can break these apart. You can chop these. Just make sure they're lightly toasted so you get really good crunchy pecan flavor. See, I'm just gonna kind of work these with my hands instead of doing a full chop on them. So then you get a nice mix of textures in here. Some cooked and crumbled bacon and some dried cranberries. A little bit of tart, a little bit of sweet. Okay, set that aside, work on our dressing. This dressing is 5 ingredients. It's so simple. It's mayonnaise, sugar, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. There is quite a bit of sugar in this recipe, but honestly, if you're eating broccoli raw, you need a little bit of sweetness. You need something to balance it out. You can add more salt and pepper to taste if you think your dressing needs to be a little bit more savory. Now, the most important part of the dressing, because when you have simple ingredients, sometimes the technique matters more than anything, is that you really take the time to combine the dressing itself. You need the sugar in here to dissolve into the mayo and into the vinegar so that it creates a really smooth dressing. If you mix this and dump prematurely, you will have grainy sugar, and that grainy, crispy, crunchy sugar in your salad is not delicious. So take 1 to 2 minutes, really mix your dressing well, let those sugars dissolve before you pour it over your salad. This broccoli salad has become one of our go-tos for family barbecues as a side dish. Not only does it come together so quickly, but it holds well in the fridge. It's great served as leftovers the next day. You can make it a little bit in advance if you would like. It's just so flexible and so easy, and the flavors in here go great with anything you're cooking in the backyard on the grill. A minute or so of whisking, and I can feel that the sugar has dissolved. We're not grainy in here anymore as I'm stirring. You can even see it. Very smooth dressing. You can see it on the spatula. There's no granules of sugar. This is ready to go into our broccoli salad. We're gonna give our salad ingredients a little bit of a mix, and then we're gonna go right on top with our dressing. Stir to combine, making sure that dressing gets over all of those pieces of broccoli and all the little nooks and crannies of those pecans. You can just cover that up and pop that in the fridge until you're ready to serve. But that's literally all it takes to make a really beautiful, really flavorful side dish for your next barbecue.